We're day 2, or day 3, I don't even know, let me see. The snowstorm of a century, global warming. Look at this.
Wow, crazy.
We already got, what, 2.5, 3 feet, 4 feet? I can't even. Jesus Christ, I can't even. It's
Look at
a
that.
blizzard out here.
And then I did 6 inches or so yesterday before this.
Oh my God.
If-
Yeah.
If you
Hey,
move
look
your,
at this.
If you move your cart over,
I can't move my car
all
over.
right, then give me the keys. I'll
Jesus, I can't believe this. It's a blizzard out
I
here.
know.
This isn't supposed to stop until tomorrow.
Really?
Oh, I got to get back in the house. These trees are going to come down.